Hello guys, welcome back. Today we will learn how to use the multiple join tool. So let me first tell you what is the difference between join and join multiple option in Alteryx. So in join you can merge or join two tables or data sets, whereas in join multiple you can merge or join two or more than two tables, right? So in order to do join multiple, I have three files. One is employee file, one is store transaction file, and one is store club member. So employee file consists of employee ID and club card ID. Store transaction consists of multiple columns like purchase it, order amount, customer ID, store city, store region, and so on. And store club card members consist of customer ID, name, their email ID, phone number, member status, etc. So now I want to join these three files into one data set. So in order to do that, I will just drag and drop this join multiple option in my tool container, right? And I will then do a joining of these inputs to this join multiple. So you just need to drag this arrow and drop it to this input arrow. So here there are three inputs which are tagged to the same node, but you can see that it has given a number to each input. So number one, number two, and number three, right? It is in uh, the way you connected these files to the input node of the join multiple, right? So once you do that, you will get a window like this. So one is your join by record position. Again, this will do a row join of tables as per the row index. This is not the ideal way to do it, whereas we will do join by specific field. So in input one stands for your data set one. Here your ID is customer ID. Input 2 is your table 2. Table 2 you can select from here. So that customer ID is same as club card ID in this table 2, right? And in table 3 or input 3, ID is the name of the customer ID. So in three tables the customer ID is same, like the number length of the customer ID is same, but the names are different, right? Customer ID, club ID, and ID in third. Now here you will see that it will give you option, right? That which fields are present in which table, input 1, input 2, input 3, and so on. So if you don't do anything here, right, and just run the workflow, it will give you an output, but it will consist of many null values, as some of the entries are not present in the all the tables, right? So if you do this a little bit, you can see that it will consist of null values. So right now it is not displaying the null values. Yeah, so you can see that it will display null values wherever data is not present. So in order to get the common records where all the data is present, for that I mean that the customer ID is present in all the tables. So for that you just need to click this button here, right? You have to check this button, only output records that match that join from all inputs, that this will do a inner join the same way we did in the join tool. Just hit run and it will do an inner join and your output will be printed here. So there are 15 records which have the common customer ID present in all the tables. I hope you like this video. Thank you.